Why it is important for interior designers to be able to quickly sketch their ideas. Why watercolor technique is so important for interior designers. And finally, why do architects and interior designers study sketching at universities? I will answer all of these questions in this video. Hello, my name is Olga Sorokina from schoolofsketching.com, and in this video I'm going to draw a lovely watercolor sketch. Alright, so let's begin. Interior designers need to be able to quickly sketch their ideas for several reasons. I found 4 main reasons. Number 1 is communicating ideas. 2, visualization. 3, it's time saving. And 4, flexibility. Let's dive deeper into each of them. Number 1, communicating ideas. Remember, quick sketches can help designers communicate their ideas with clients, contractors, and other team members. It allows them to really quickly show their vision, ideas, and make changes as needed based on feedback. Number 2, visualization. Sketching helps designers visualize their ideas and bring them to life. It can also help them identify potential issues before starting the actual project. Number 3, time saving. Quick sketches allow designers to quickly explore different design options without having to spend too much time on each one. This can be especially useful when working under tight deadlines, which actually quite often in interior and architecture fields. Number 4, flexibility. Sketching is a flexible and versatile medium that can be used to quickly capture a variety of design ideas. It allows designers to experiment with different layouts, color schemes, and textures without committing to a final design. Overall, being able to quickly sketch their ideas is an important skill for interior designers, as it helps them communicate, visualize, and explore their designs efficiently and effectively. And while technology has advanced significantly in the field of architectural, interior design, visualization, sketching remains a vital skill, as it offers a unique immediacy, intimacy, and flexibility that other mediums may not provide. Plus, it gives this wonderful emotional touch to your project, to presentation of your project, which speaks directly to emotional intellect of your clients, your teachers, if you're an interior design student or architecture student. Sketching serves as a foundation for the development of digital design skills, as many computer apps and programs they mimic traditional sketching techniques. Therefore, universities continue to emphasize sketching as an integral part of the education and training of architects and interior designers. And it is watercolor technique which allows to create quick conceptual sketches and visualizations. It is a medium that is easily portable and can be used to create a range of effects, from soft ethereal washes to bold graphic strokes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check all the links in the description. Check also my top 3 exercises to train your hand.